Want to unlock the full potential of Adobe After Effects and stay protected? Let's dive into how to update it to keep your animations and visual effects game strong. First things first, After Effects update seamlessly through the Adobe Creative Cloud application. If you don't have it already, you probably do, and it's essential for managing all your Adobe programs. Open the Creative Cloud app. You should see a list of all your installed Adobe applications, including After Effects. Notice the Open or Update buttons next to each. If you spot an Update button next to After Effects, clicking it starts the update process. The app will download and install the latest version. The Creative Cloud app will handle everything in the background and tell you when the update is complete, with a progress bar showing the current status. Once the update is done, the Update button will change to Open. Click to launch the newest version of After Effects. By keeping After Effects updated, you ensure you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security updates. It helps you with a smooth workflow and you're taking control of your software. Checking for updates regularly, even just a few times a month, is a great habit to get into, allowing you to constantly improve your skills. Now go create something amazing.